And welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of LPL Financial. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. LPL Financial has been making waves in the wealth management sector, and their latest earnings report provides a lot to discuss, especially with their recent acquisitions and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. LPL Financial reported a total revenue of $4.55 billion for Q3 2025. Despite a net loss of $30 million, the adjusted EPS increased by 25% year over year to $5.20. John, can you break this down for us?
Absolutely. The net loss was primarily due to one-time acquisition costs of $419 million related to the Commonwealth Financial Network acquisition. However, the adjusted EPS of $5.20, which is a 25% increase from last year, indicates strong underlying profitability. This was driven by a 31% increase in gross profit to $1.479 billion, showcasing effective cost management and revenue growth.
Asset growth and strategic acquisitions. Moving on to asset growth, LPL Financial's total advisory and brokerage assets increased by 45% year over year to $2.3 trillion. They also closed the acquisition of Commonwealth. How significant is this for LPL's growth strategy?
The asset growth is indeed significant. Advisory assets alone increased by 51% to $1.3 trillion, and the acquisition of Commonwealth added $275 billion in net new assets. This acquisition not only boosts their asset base, but also strengthens their market position, allowing them to offer more comprehensive services to their clients.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, LPL Financial has also made strides in operational efficiencies. Their core G&A increased by 33% to $477 million, and they have lowered their 2025 core G&A outlook. What does this mean for their future operations?
Lowering the core G&A outlook is a positive sign, indicating that LPL is managing its expenses effectively. The leverage ratio stands at 2.04x, which is manageable, and they declared a 30 per share dividend, reflecting confidence in their cash flow. These factors suggest a strong operational foundation and a positive outlook for future growth.
CFO insights. Finally, let's discuss the insights from LPL's leadership. CEO Rich Steinmeier and CFO Matt Audette have shared their thoughts on the company's performance and strategic direction. What are the key takeaways from their statements?
CEO Rich Steinmeier emphasized the progress on key priorities and the strength of their business results, highlighting their competitive pricing strategy. CFO Matt Audette focused on their strategic acquisitions and operating leverage, expressing excitement about future opportunities to support advisors and deliver long-term shareholder value. Their statements reflect a clear vision and commitment to growth,